paper planes, fly me to outer space. That's where I'll see your face and have you with me. It may seem dark, but you always light my spark in my heart since the start.